Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. So friends, today in this video we are watching the most beautiful kitchen designs. So let first understand the importance of the kitchen design and layout. So if you are thinking of renovating your kitchen, so you got two important consideration to balance: practicality and the design. On the other hand, you need to ensure that your kitchen is a functional and easily used space. But on the other hand, kitchens are a design focal point of our house. So to achieve the balance between the practicality and the design, you'll need to first appreciate the importance of kitchen design and layouts, and then understand the critical things to consider during the design process. The kitchen is the heart of every home, which is easy to see when you're entertaining friends, guests, your relatives. But people are naturally drawn to the kitchen. So no matter how nice your living room is, and when you invite people over there, every chance they will end up in the kitchen. In our view, that's something your kitchen design and layout should reflect. So when you're planning a kitchen renovation, think about the ways you can make it more sociable. Let's not overlook the kitchen primary purpose though. Cooking, it's one thing to host guests in your kitchen, but to feed them in another thing entirely. So the importance of the kitchen design and the layout is obvious to most home cooks, especially when there are things that could use a bit of improvement. But at the same time, it is important to recognize that design and the layout have to work with space. That's why sympathetic design is so important in all kitchens. So when you design a kitchen, you need to work with the strengths. If there is no space, then focus on storage. And that if there's a plenty of space, focus on utilizing it. Kitchen layout and design can contribute to safety as well. If you have a children, the importance of kitchen design and the layout as an added dimension of safety. Your kitchen designs and layout should focus on ensuring that everything is child proof to the greatest extent possible. So there are something to sacrifice the aesthetics. So over the years, kitchens have evolved to take an over more important roles in our life. So these days they are not just a space for cooking, but it is also spent timing, relaxing with our families and so much more. The way you intend to use your kitchen is unique to you and to achieve the most from your design. So you will need to give careful consideration to how maximize your kitchen to meet your needs. So in this video I have shown you the beautiful kitchen designs and cabinets. There are the different layouts are available in this video. Planning your layout is extremely important if you want to get the most from your new kitchen. It will help ensure you are capable to keep your space neat and tidy. It will boost and workflow. It can allow you to introduce areas for relaxing or socializing, and it will ultimately impact the overall ambience of your space. With these objectives in mind, you might want to start by thinking about who will be using your kitchen. So you may have heard the saying that the kitchen is the heart of the room, heart of our home. And it's true to research have shown that we spend more times in our kitchens than any other rooms. Because a well designed kitchen has plenty of space. So while you're planning to make the kitchen renovation or a new kitchen, there are some important points to consider. First one is the budget. First prepare your budget that how much can spend you. Second important point is the kitchen layout, because layout is depending upon your kitchen size, because where you want to put your cabinets, countertops, electronics items. So because a well planned kitchen can help the streamline the cooking process at the end of the day, because no one wants to unnecessarily waste their spare time cooking when they could be spending this time relaxing or enjoying themselves. And another important point is the cabinets color combination and the material which are used for the cabinets. So first you consider, you think before you're making the kitchen renovations or a new kitchen designs. This video will help you to select the best kitchen designs for your house. There you can see there are the lots of kitchen designs and cabinets are available with the kitchen cabinet color combinations. So if you have any queries, you can contact through me my mail ID which I have given in the description.